Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website. That Faucet website is Ethereum, and you can claim your free Ethereum every 5 minutes. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link is available in description. This website pay you 25% 25 time claim per day and 50% of referral commission. Every 5 minutes pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, Ethereum Satoshi. And at the first, copy your Ethereum wallet address and come here, paste. Okay, good. I'm going to my Faucet Pay, link it address, copy my Ethereum wallet address from MetaMask. Okay, and come here, I paste, and then I come back in here, just solve this letter capture. Okay, this is very easy, just solving a capture, and you can easily collect your reward. This one tell you the track, just click the tracks. Okay, and just click next like this. Okay, that was wrong. Okay, I try next time. To track I see. Okay, this is one track in here, just I click check. Okay, that was great. This is 5174 and come down, just wait 3 seconds and just click get reward, and this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Okay, this my Satoshi will be sent to my Faucet Pay. I go to my dashboard to show you. Okay, and you can see this much Ethereum came from Faucet Pay direct, come from Faucet withdrawal. Okay, and this is a very fantastic website. This website link available in description. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.